Friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today when we are going to talk about guys Samsung phone guys the tap sound setting guys, how can we disable? Once you want to disable guys your Samsung phone guys, your background guys this guys the tap sound guys, you can see guys when you click on guys any icons of friends, you can see guys the tap sound. Then how can disable it today friends, I will show you, I will tell you in this video guys. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video. So friends, now let's see guys how can we disable guys the Samsung phone tap sound setting. Friends, open your phone setting guys. So after on phone setting guys, scroll it guys. Then guys you can see guys your phone sound and vibration guys, tap here and again scroll guys, click on guys your phone system sound guys, we will tap here. And friends you can see guys the touch sound and tap sound guys, we will tap here to off it, disable it. So after disable guys, you can guys tap on button guys, you can click on any icon guys. Without this tap sound setting guys, you can operate your phone without this background tap sound. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video guys. I hope friends you understood how to disable tap sound in our Samsung phone device. So bye guys.